So today I have with me this Portronics Adapto 22 and which comes with a QC 3.0 power delivery 18 watt power support, and let me quickly show you some written specification. So you can pause this video for your reference, and coming to the pricing of this product on box, it's 999, and the unit which I received is of January 2021. Here are contact details, email and website details, and it comes with 6 months warranty, and nothing else to cover in this part. So we get adapter in this folder. Let me show you this adapter. So first, let me start with its build quality. So it's completely plastic, and it's not ABS plastic. And coming to performance of this adapter, which I think is completely useless, because it shows a fast charging for Samsung devices, but it doesn't work as fast as they claim, like 18 watt. Unlike the cables which I bought recently, some times back, and that turned out to be a huge disappointment. And it's a made in China product, and here are some other details as well. And I need to say, for Samsung users, it's nothing else but a time waste. I have tried it, so only 1% in 3 minutes. So that is what the condition of this adapter is. I am going to return this adapter because it's completely useless, and it's one of the worst among all the adapters which I have bought till now. But as I already stated in my other videos, that it completely depends on the devices which you use, and as it supports QC 3.0 power delivery 18 watts, so uh, that might be the reason that this adapter may work in that case, but it doesn't work with Samsung devices, and it's a completely useless adapter. And recent times I have seen that Portronics, I mean, somehow giving products at budget friendly prices, but their products are useless, and investing money in them would be a time waste. Just like I bought a cable, USB type C cable, and after some time uh, it doesn't work as fast, and it shows its true color. However, I found problem with the charging port. So after cleaning it, however, the cable is now performing good, and it shows no problem at all, but it doesn't support the fast charging as it is shown on their website. So that is where the disappointment comes, that what brand claims, and it's completely opposite. And I don't even think so that one should consider Portronics nowadays, because they are innovative. I don't like to refer this brand as not being so innovative. At budget friendly price, only Portronics is providing you the products which no other brand is giving you at the same price. Just like I bought type C to C cable, I bought it for only 189 rupees, which includes delivery charges, and only Portronics can make it possible in that case. But coming to its performance, which seems to be a big disappointment, I need to return this adapter, and it's also a time waste for me. I don't want to keep this product, and I hope so that Amazon or Flipkart should think about it. And also, it is necessary for users to know that whether these adapters, which nowadays, I mean, each and every brand claiming to be 18 watt and PD power delivery and all those things, so they should include whether it supports particular devices after testing or not. But it is nowhere shown, because brands uh, is nowhere paying any attention towards their products, and their products are completely useless. And even after writing to brands like Joni, they are not even working anything as such. So uh, that's all in this review. I hope that if I'll buy any other adapter, uh, hope so that it works. That's all in this review. Thank you.